Hi guys, Adrian from Casabella Built. Today we're doing water stops in our shower base. So, what is a water stop? It's basically an aluminium angle that gets polyurethane and waterproofed, and it's a border that goes around the whole entire shower base, as you can see right here. Now, the purpose of this water stop is to stop water from spilling out into the floor area. So as you can see here, this has already been waterproofed, and what's actually going to happen is when the shower is in use, the water is going to build up here and it's going to run down into the puddle flange. Now if you don't have these water stops in place, the water is just going to spill out underneath your tile adhesive and come through the grout lines and sit out here and pull. And you don't want that to happen, because when water pulls, somehow it will find its way through. Alright, so please keep in mind that these water stops are not seen above the tile area. They are all completely sealed underneath the substrate, and they form a part of the waterproofing. So now we've had a bit of an introduction on what water stops are. Let's jump into it and watch step by step how it's supposed to be done. Alright guys, now as you can see, our water stops have been installed. Now it's very important before you actually put these water stops in that you make sure that they're parallel and square with the walls, because what actually has to happen is your tiles need to butt in to each side, and this actually forms the grout line, and it will be concealed so you don't see these big old ugly metal angles with blue stuff all over them. So thanks for watching. It's another episode of waterproofing. Thank you.